All right, y'all, we got an iPhone 13 here to unbox and actually put some stuff on because I'm gonna keep this as opposed to what I most recently had, the iPhone Air, which for about 20 minutes, this iPhone 13 and the iPhone Air coexisted with each other until I returned the Air. But this 13 is gonna exist with me for forever because Walmart had this on a good sale. So I decided to pick it up and get a screen protector for it. And I have this really crappy case I got from Temu a year ago that'll go right on it. All right, I guess we'll open up the screen protector. I bought this phone a couple hours ago, then I went to a football game, so yeah. Oh, it slides down. Okay, so this is meant to be like a single-use type situation. We'll deal with all the screen protector nonsense in a minute, but you guys came to see an iPhone 13 get unboxed. You guys may have not explicitly come to see that, but it's a video that I'm uploading and I'm gonna keep this phone, and I thought I might as well get something a little nice. So last time I opened an iPhone 13 was my personal one about 4 years ago now. All right, here we go. Pull tabs aren't as satisfying now as they were back then. This is the 2024 revision box. All right, here we go. It's actually really clean. It's nice to open one and keep it. Very clean midnight. But you just get the phone, get some very basic documentation. They took the Apple stickers out of here as well. Come on, bro. They used to include the Apple stickers in the earlier revisions, but they took it out. Lightning USB-C. This is basically guaranteed to be on iOS 18 because it's a 24 revision box. All right, I'm gonna take off the plastic and then off camera, I'm gonna put on the screen protector. Not every day you get to do that. All right, give me a couple minutes, I'll be back. So I really wanted to recommend this on screen protector from Walmart. I can't, it's actually garbage. I'm gonna order a real screen protector from a real company that's real easy to put on and a real case, but this I guess will do for now. And by now, I mean today. They should have spent a little less money on their packaging and their microfiber cloth and a little more money on an actually decent screen protector application system, but nope, wasted $11. All right, let's turn the phone on. It is a very nice phone though. iOS 8. I'm gonna go ahead and see what version it is. All right, just check the version on this iPhone 13. It is iOS 18.5, which is perfect because that's what this 14 Plus is running. So they're gonna be buddies and they're gonna transfer information. And yeah, I'll be back soon.
3 weeks later.
All right, y'all, it's been a little over 2 weeks. I can't return the phone anymore, but that's okay. This will be the home setup that you guys see because my setup is very simple. I use a different widget than this, but I like to keep that private just because you guys probably seen it in other videos, but this time it popped up information I don't really feel like sharing. But here we go. This is the iPhone 13 from Walmart. It's been a little over 2 weeks. All I'm gonna say, this is the best secondary your money can get. But there's some strings attached. I mean, it's carrier locked. It's an iPhone. Not everyone likes iPhones. That's okay. But this is an extremely good secondary because you got the 6.1 OLED screen, all that. No promotion, no always on. But it's been like this up until the 16. This is basically the same as the 16 screen minus the dynamic island. But for this value, $200 is unbeatable compared to even buying one of these used, unlocked, or anything like that, because a used one of these unlocked trends closer to the 300 range, although I do know prices are dropping, but still, would you rather get a used iPhone 13 that you can't add warranty to, isn't in good condition, doesn't come with all the original accessories, in a box? Would you rather pay $250, $300 for a used phone with all that, or would you rather just pay $199, get the phone from a big box store, and it's brand new, it's perfect, and it's the perfect Wi-Fi, secondary, iPod, you name it, it works on here. The cameras, they're cameras. The 1X, it's fine. The zoom isn't as good compared to something like the 16E, because these are basically best buddies right here, because same size. You can use the same case, I think. I haven't tested it out. I don't really feel like testing it out. They're basically best buddies. 16E has better zoom though, but you get 0.5 on here, and you get 1X on here, digital zoom. You even get regular SIM. You don't even have to deal with eSIM, but You still got to activate the phone on Straight Talk if you feel like activating the phone, but you only got to do it, I think, for 2 months. Fact check me on that. This is just a really good secondary. It's perfect balance. And another drawback, you got Lightning, but this is also a 4-year-old phone. Everything up till 2022 had Lightning. It's a good phone. It's a great secondary. What I recommend it as a main, maybe if you have a smaller budget or you're getting new to iPhone, because I mean Walmart has a 2-week return policy on this. I've returned plenty of other things to Walmart within 2 weeks, but I've kept this. I very much like it. I got this case screen protector from Amazon. The original screen protector I put on, I think at the beginning of this video, some on brand screen protector, absolute garbage. I just got Amazon accessories because that on screen protector was terrible. It didn't even cover the edges. And this case, I like it. The other case I had on some point at the beginning of the video was just one that I had lying around that I got from Temu. Don't judge, it was a bad case. But this is, I've been glazing this phone for long enough. Best secondary you can get. Main, not so much. Maybe if you're new to iPhone, but just buy it. I would do it if I were you. If you can afford it and you want one, I don't see why you wouldn't do it. So that's all I really have to say for this one. Good phone. You already heard me spiel about it, but thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, obviously, if you want. Check out some other videos. I had, videos last 2 weeks, and ideally the next couple weeks, because I got 2 lots in, maybe some more, but you guys will just have to stick around and see. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, and peace.